Most of what is being sent to landfills today are food scraps that can be easily composted. Food scrap composting is the next step in working to improve recycling efforts and to direct materials away from these landfills. This video will demonstrate how easy it is for restaurants and commercial kitchens to send food scraps out for recycling instead of disposal. Today we are going to meet the executive chefs of two local businesses that both implemented food scrap composting programs of their own. They will provide an overview of how their program works and some tips on how to develop a successful one yourself.
I'm Peter Smith. I'm the executive chef at the Renaissance Lodge in Sonoma on Broadway. I've been here about 8 months. Composting and recycling is a big part of what I do. I'm very much into sustainability.
Hi, my name is Robert Barrett. I'm the executive chef here at Merrill Gardens at Sonoma. I've been in this business for over 40 years, and I've seen lots of food waste going into the garbage, which goes into our landfill.
We are the biggest consumers of waste, and we're also the biggest violators of waste.
When food scraps and organics are thrown into the trash, the decomposition process produces methane, which according to the Climate Protection Campaign is 21 times more powerful as a greenhouse gas than carbon dioxide, the byproduct of the composting process. When these materials are composted instead of landfilled, they are turned into nutrient-rich amendments that are used to replenish the soils that grow the food that could end up back in your restaurant.
So for the workstation, very simple process. We have something like this. All our stations will have a metal bin on it, and in the metal bin you can see in here we've just got cucumber peelings. Everything that's a byproduct of peeling or de-seeding or stemming goes into this bin, and then this bin goes into the composting bin. You need to have everything literally at your fingertips. So when people are coming in and they're breaking down a station, they don't have to go too far in order to put meat in one bin, paper in one bin, and vegetable scraps in another bin. I'm finding as long as it's within arm's reach, people will do it no problem.
As we cut our vegetables, fruits, whatever we're doing, we put all the scraps into that bucket. When each bucket is full, we walk it to the compost bin, which is located over by the dishwasher.
So I put the composting bin right next to the dishwasher area. I put the recycling bin on the other side, so when they come in, they can separate paper, plastics, vegetables.
And there's a list up there saying what we can put into it.
Understanding what correctly goes into the compost is key to a successful system. The composable items include all fruits or vegetables, any grains, such as pasta or bread, dairy-free sauces, eggs, and coffee grinds. Plant materials such as flowers and leaves from the table setting can be included as well. Even any uncoated paper products such as napkins and uncoated paper plates can be added to the compost also. If the paper products have a waxy coating, however, they cannot be added. There are also some food scraps that are not permitted in the compost, and they must be excluded. The prohibited items include any meat products or bones, fish, cheese, fats and oils, dairy products like milk, yogurt, and butter or margarine.
The program works is once people that are new come in, we introduce them to the concept of what we do. We show them where the recycling is, and then we give them a breakdown of what goes where, and that's probably the most difficult part. The other part is making people understand what compost is. It shouldn't contain meat or any meat byproducts.
Scheduling periodic staff trainings can be helpful in making sure that your staff understands what exactly can go into the compost bin. Storing the collection containers in a convenient location near a workstation or prep area will also help the staff.
That's part of the training that has to be done. You have to work with your staff. It does work as long as you work with them.
So I think that pretty much wraps it up. But in conclusion, I can say to anybody out there that wants to start a composting program, it's very simple. All you need is a metal bucket, a green bin, a blue bin for recycles. Keep it close to the dishwashing area or close to a breakdown area. 1 hour of training and it's good to go.
The way we look at it here is this way we can make a difference. Save all we can, save our landfills, and help us out.
Composting at your business is easy. It can save you money on disposal costs, and it keeps a valuable resource out of the landfill. To get started, simply contact your local garbage collector to set up a collection service for food scraps. Remember to work with your staff to set up efficient workstations and post appropriate signage and reminders. Also, provide periodic reminders at staff trainings. And be sure to let your customers know that you have taken the steps to green your business. For more information about food scrap composting or for on-site training support, visit the Sonoma Compost website at www.sonomacompost.com.